Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So if you are learning a Power BI or data analytics, one of the biggest challenge you might have faced is finding a realistic data set for the practice. And usually what do? We go to the platforms like Kaggle, Maven Analytics or other online website to search for the data set. But sometimes, even after searching for hours, we still don't find the exact data set we want for our project. And suppose you want to create a complete unique Power BI project or a dashboard for your portfolio, maybe an e-commerce dashboard, HR dashboard, or social media analytics dashboard, but you don't have the data. Now, obviously, manually creating thousand or lakhs of record is almost impossible and extremely time consuming. But this is where AI becomes super powerful. Using tools like Claude, ChatGPT, and Google Gemini, you can create a realistic data set within a minute exactly according to your requirement. And in today's video, I'm going to show you step by step how to generate a realistic data set using these powerful AI tools. And I will explain you the prompts I'm using with each AI tool so you can create your own data set for Power BI project and build a strong data analytics portfolio. So let's get started. I will also explain the prompts I'm using with each AI tool so you can create your own data set for Power BI project and build a strong data analytics portfolio. So I have created this document and today I'm going to create a three data set. The first one is the e-commerce or sales analytics data set. The second one is the social media analytics data set and the third one is the HR analytics data set. You can create any data set with the help of this prompt. So I'm just showing you the example how you can create the data set using these prompts. You can create any kind of data set. So I have provided this document link in the description. You can check it out from there. So the first one is the e-commerce and the sales analytical dashboard, and we are going to create a data set for that using a Claude. So the first AI tool we are going to use is the Claude AI. And using Claude, I'm going to generate an e-commerce sales analytics data set with 20,000 records. You can create as many record as you want. Just for the demo purpose, I'm going to create this 20,000 record. And honestly, Claude is a really good when it comes to generating a large structured data set because it handles long output very efficiently. So for this project, I want realistic e-commerce sales data that can be used directly inside a Power BI. So you can see whatever the columns I want to create or the dimension table and the fact table I want to create, all the details I have provided in my prompt. As well as I have given the requirement like how the data I want. So I told generate realistic e-commerce data similar to Amazon, Flipkart, Noon, Shopify, or Walmart. So these are the biggest e-commerce website currently available in overall the world. And I have provided some more description like use real world city name, countries, customer name. So data will look more like a real data set. And it includes a realistic product categories such as electronic, fashion, beauty, home decor, etc. So I have provided some requirement as well as here, and as well as I'm trying to create a messy data here. So basically, I told in the prompt that I want a messy data which include around like this missing values, then duplicate record, inconsistent text. So we can perform the data cleaning operation when you are creating a dashboard using the Power BI. So you can use the Power BI, you can use SQL or Python for the data cleaning. So I have provided all this in the description, like what kind of data I want, and I have provided each and everything in very explicit manner. Everything I have provided in detail, like how I want my data. So you can follow the similar pattern or you can use the same prompt and create your own data set. And the last one, I have told to give me all this data in the CSV file. Okay. So first thing, I will copy this complete prompt. So you just need to copy this one and you need to go to the Claude. So once you go to the Claude, you can see I'm using a free plan. So basically you have limits when you are using a free plan. With the paid plan, you can hit as many requests as you want. But for the pre plan, there are some limitations. But this is just one request I'm processing right now. So let's see what exactly the output we are getting. So I'm going to put this prompt here. The prompt which I shown in the document, the exact prompt I have put here, and just click on the send button. And now Claude is processing and creating this CSV file. So it will take some time, like around 3 to 4 minutes to generate this data set based on what exactly the prompt and what kind of data set you wanted. So for this one, it will create to 4 to 5 CSV files. So it will take some time. So now you can see the Claude has proceeded the my prompt, whatever I have provided, and it have created some of the all five tables look great, and it have provided the messy data as well. And here you can see the e-commerce sales analytics dataset where it have created the sales.csv, then the customer.csv, the products.csv, stores.csv, and the payment method. So here you can see the payment methods.csv here. So it have also added some realistic business simulation as well, which includes the seasonal spikes, then discount campaign products from Amazon, Flipkart, Noon, Walmart, and brands like Apple, Samsung, Nike, IKEA, L'Oreal, Lego. So the data set will look more realistic basically. And it have added the messy data injected like incorrect date format, like mixed date format, then invalid date, then null across all the column, then country misspelling, then mix text casing starting with small letter, then all capital letters, all small letter, then extra white space in the name, then duplicate rows in the customer and sale. So we will see in the detail like how we can handle this messy data and how we can clean the data when we start creating the Power BI dashboard. At that time, I will definitely show you how you can handle this part. Then you can see our data is created in the CSV format. Here we can click on this button and it will download all the CSV files in your system. So you can see we have the cell CSV file. So here you will get the preview as well. So let me expand this. So here you can see, so the first thing is the order ID, then we have the customer ID, product ID, store ID, payment method, then order date, shipping date, quantity. You can see some of the missing values as well here, as we told in the prompt that we want some messy data, missing values. Then unit price, discount percentage, shopping cost, profit amount, sales amount, delivery status, and customer rating. So what are the columns name we have provided in our prompt? You can see here. So the first thing is the, so you can see all those columns are added in this data set. So for the cells, you can see all those columns. So this is the our fact table. Then let's check about the dimension table as well. So we have the dimension table, which is the customers table. So you can see the customer data here, like customer ID, customer name, gender, age group, city, state, country, customer segment, and sign up date. Same data you can see in our prompt as well. We have provided the same column name here in the our prompt. So then let's check another data sets as well. So we have another dimension dataset, which is the product dataset, which consists of the information related to your products. So product ID, product name, category, then subcategory, then brand, unit price, and manufacturing country. Then we have the store dataset. So this is also the dimension dataset, which is having the store ID. If you see the store name, it is showing Amazon Fulfillment Center, then Walmart Supercenter, Carrefour, Lulu Hypermarket, which are the realistic stores name available. And it has also shows the store type, then city, then state, then country. All the details are provided. Here you can see the India spelling name is incorrect. So those are the things we need to handle during the data cleaning. And the last one is the payment method. So we have the payment method ID, which we can connect with the sales database. Obviously, we need to find out those connection and we need to provide those connection at the time of you are creating the dashboard. Then we have this payment method name and the transaction type. So you can click on this download all and download all the data set which we have created here. And currently this is consisting of 20,000 records. So you can create as many record as you want. And this is extremely useful because now I can directly import this data set into the Power BI and I can create like a sales dashboard, profit analysis, customer segmentation also I can create here. Then regional performance analysis and KPI dashboard I can create using this data set. So instead of spending are searching for that particular data set, you can create your own data set using Claude, and that's also free. And it is available online. AI can generate a custom data set exactly according to your need. So this is just simple. It just took me 5 minutes to create my own data set, and how the I want, what particular columns I want, how the relation I want to develop. I will think about that and I will create my own data set using this. So the next thing I will show you how you can create the same data set using Google Gemini and the ChatGPT. So in the next lecture, I will cover that. So thank you for watching this video till the end. If you find this helpful, share this with someone, your friends or maybe your colleagues, and help them as well. If you have any question related particular to how to create a data set using a particular to Claude, Google Gemini or ChatGPT, you can put down that in the comment section. And I request you to please subscribe, comment, and like this video. That will definitely mean a lot to me because this will help me to grow in particular this YouTube field. So thank you for watching this video till the end. And I'm so grateful for all who are watching this video till the end. And thank you for watching and have a nice day.